Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. Yes, and I haven't done a vlog in a hot minute, but guys, I don't know, I've just been home sleeping, so I haven't really been doing anything much. So yeah, anyways, I'm vlogging today. It is a Sunday and it's just me and Amari right now. This was a bump and I squeezed it and it just, the beard is still going strong, guys. Still going strong. But yeah, vlogging. I don't really have anything much planned as per usual, but I do have a bit of cleaning and a bit of washing to do. And what else? Planning for the week for Amari. And yeah, that's it. Valentine is coming. Well, today is Valentine's. Where is your boyfriend? Lonely. Anyways, yeah. Let's see what we have got to do. I'm not recording you. I'm not recording you.
I just want to see what you did.
I didn't do anything.
But I did heard a blink.
You heard a blinking.
I want to see that.
Okay.
Alright, baby girl, you have me in my feelings. Hey, tell me what the deal is. But what a sprint in your life, so nail it. Hold on for me heart and just keep this. While you define what real is. Baby girl, be see the realest. What you see is what you get because I made it. Don't you start that ebb and flow like we have the on the beach. Me say you have me in my feelings. Hey, tell me what the deal is. Me what a sprint in your life, so nail it. Hold on for me heart and just keep this. While you define what real is. Baby girl, be see the realest. What you see is what you get. I love is that not ebb and flow. No, it's not ebb and flow. Girl is so curvaceous. You're smart, I can get another A+. Need you in my life cause it's so spacious. Natural beauty, no makeup. Me love is say the lingerie, the one with black and lace up. Insomnia, some make a key office say up. You give me like the offspring, call me Mr. Jacob. Now me fall in love, get me need them scrape up. Me work shake up, because you have me in my feelings. Aye, tell me what the deal is. I sprint in your life, so nail it. Hold on for me, I'll just keep it. Well, you define what's real is. Baby girl, easy the realest. What you see is what you get. And love is not the ebb and flow. It's not the ebb and flow. Let us produce something that's one of a kind. One of a kind, you know it's hard to define. And if it's hard to define, it's even harder.
So now that the other clothes are drying, I'm going to see if I can work my magic on these. But please ignore Mari, guys. Like, please ignore Mari. But yeah, these clothes have been in the city for decades. So, but legit, like, I'd wash. But then when it comes to folding and putting away, it's like a struggle. So let's see if I can work some magic here. I feel sick now. Like, I just want to just go and lie down. I just feel like I'm going to vomit and so I think I'm going to lie down a little bit and then I'll catch you guys on the flip side.
Oh, my mommy so much. Handsome and handsome. You. Come. Wow. Go.
Yeah, man, find something else to put it up.
I'm gonna use this pot tomorrow. You can use this pot today.
Alright, thank you.
I'm cutting this part. I gotta read over
Mm-hmm.
That's not going to Here's your Valentine card.
Thank you. What does it say?
See, I love Sunny.
Aw, thank you. Alright guys, so that's it for today's vlog. If you like today's video, please remember to like, share and subscribe, and you know, as usual, tell a friend to tell a friend. And until next time, bye kids.